I'd like to share with you the softer side and organic side of what flowers can be. I'm Eric Whitcraft, AIFD. Today I'm going to share with you the floral trend forecast of 2020 known as Terratory. And it really embodies the idea that you can utilize lots of different natural materials in a manner that's very artistic and beautiful. I set this branch over the top. This is coral bark maple, one of my personal favorites. And it has this kind of glowing citron green lichen all over it, which I particularly love. To begin with, I layered in some of the green trick Dianthus from Royal Flowers. I have added the Australian Fern that I've tinted in purple pansy. I took a half sphere of styrofoam that has a hollowed out middle, and I adhered oak leaves to the outside of it using Design Master Tack 2000, really great. And then I incorporated the Miyabi roses. I covered the entire outside of the sphere. I also incorporated small chunks of just natural cork that I've pinned in using just 1-inch Corsage pins, the gold and the white along the bottom. And again, I've incorporated this ever popular Juliet roses, and these are both from Alexandra farms. Added in some miniature calla lilies to create the line and flow out of the vessel. A design like this is so perfect for that client out there that you might have that really appreciates something that's truly handmade. I have added some of the champagne gold Plumosa fern that helps to shelter over the top of the arrangement. This from the very beginning is completely handmade and just color enhancing by Design Master. Join me next time as we talk about more floral trends coming up. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.